Hey there guys, today we'll be painting Xiao Liu from Reaper Miniatures to the tabletop level standard. The first thing we want to do is grab a scalpel or other sharp blade and trim the casting line off the model. Make sure you take care during this step and always cut away from yourself. I've base coated the entire model with Khaki highlight using my airbrush, but you can do this by hand if you prefer. Firstly, you want to get the messy stuff out of the way. Pop a little bit of linen white on your palette and using an old brush, wipe most of the paint off with an old rag. Lightly brush this over the whole model to bring out the raised details. Cover the cobblestones on her base with a 50-50 mix of pure black and linen white. Base coat her garment with heather blue. Naturally, she's a black belt in whatever martial art she practices, so paint her belt and her hair with pure black. Base coat her staff with Heartwood brown. Finally, for this step, base coat her skin with fair skin. Mix up a thin wash using a mixture of fair skin and Heartwood brown, and dilute this with water or flow improver. Wash this over any exposed skin on the model. Dilute some pure black and wash the cobblestones on her base. When the washes are dry, highlight her garment with a mix of heather blue and aircraft grey, painting a thin line along the edges of the cloth. Finally, highlight her skin with fair highlight. And with that, the model is done. Now don't forget to like and subscribe, check out our other videos, and we will see you next time.